Right, good day and welcome. Application of calculus to maxima and minima problems. Question 12. A wire of 4 meters long is cut into two pieces. One is bent in the shape of a square and the other one is bent in the shape of the circle. The length of wire used to make the circle is x meters, so I use x meters to make the circle. Write in terms of x the length of the side of the square in meters. So first, there they're giving us, we cut a piece of wire 4 meters long into a square and a circle. The whole length of that wire for the circle is x, so I can say the perimeter or perimeter, no, I'm just joking, the perimeter equal to x. Right, so if that perimeter equal x, then the perimeter of the square should equal 4 minus x, meaning if I whole length. So length of the side of a square would then be 4 minus x divided by 4, because a square has 4 sides. That can be simplified. 4 divided by 4, 1 minus x over 4. Next question. Show that the sum of the areas, so here we're working with areas, circle and the square is given by this specific equation. So we have to prove this. So first, should know perimeter of a circle equal 2 pi r. So x equal 2 pi r. Remember, perimeter equal x. X equal 2 pi r. So r, if I make it subject the formula, equal x divided by 2 pi. So my areas are, area of a circle is simply side times side. So that would be 4 minus x over 4 times 4 minus x over 4, or simply put squared. Plus, area for a circle is pi r squared. So there's pi, there's my radius squared. 4 times 4 gives me 16. 4 times negative 4 gives me negative 4x, times 2 gives me negative 8x, x times x, x squared. Negative times negative, positive. 4 times 4, 16. X times x, x squared. 2 times 2 gives me 4. And pi simply stays a constant here. That's pi squared. Pi and pi. 1 pi cancel, and I'm left with 4 pi. Right, 16 over 16 simplifies to 1. Minus 8 goes in itself once, goes in 16 2 times, so that's minus half x. Plus, there you see I have x squared over 16 plus x squared over 4 pi x. So they took out x squared as a common factor, and I'm left with 1 over 16 plus 1 over 4 pi. So there I got the specific equation they were looking for. Right, next question. How should the wire be cut so that the sum of the areas of the circle and the square is a minimum? So yeah, when I ask minimum, I'm testing whether you can use the first derivative and solve. Right? So I would say fx equal 1 minus half x plus x squared pi plus 4 over 16 pi. So just using that equation there. Right, first derivative of a constant, 0. 1 times minus half becomes negative half. And then 2 times pi plus 4 over 32. That would give me 8 over 32, which simplifies to 4 over 8. Right? If we simplify further, first multiply 8 pi away. 8 pi over 2, there would give me 8 over 2 gives me 4. There, so I have pi plus 4 x. Okay, let's see. Somewhere they've done something not up to scratch. Let's just check. Let's just verify. Pi plus 4 over 16 pi is the constant. So that simplifies to, oh, I see here. If I multiply by 2 to make this 1, 2 pi, that gives me 1 over 4. Okay.